Hello, welcome to English Champ. This is Miss Mushfeka. In today's video, we are going to focus on the letter B. And the letter sounds as ba, ba. Let's look at some words which start with the sound ba. Ba is for bread. Ba, ba, bread. Ba is for bus. Ba, ba, bus. Ba is for baby. Ba, ba, baby. Ba is for bag. Ba, ba, bag. Ba is for bat. Ba, ba, bat. Ba is for bed. Ba, ba, bed. Ba is for banana. Ba, ba, banana. Ba is for bowl. Ba, ba, bowl. Ba is for book. Ba, ba, book. Practice makes you perfect. So let's try it in your home. This is the end of the video, and if you like our video, please give a thumbs up. And if you need more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.